Selena Gomez is excited for Justin Bieber's comeback.
I'm so sick of that same old love.
Selena isn't that sick of her old love with Justin, though. Former Disney star praises her ex's comeback in a new interview with the New York Times. Quote, "While people were writing that I was stupid for being in the relationship, this is what I always saw in him." And just like JB, Selena is undergoing changes of her own. Her upcoming album, Revival, reflects that. She adds, quote, "It's all part of my story. I'm growing and changing. I was in a relationship and I was being managed by my parents, and I was still under Hollywood and Disney, and I was being held to this expectation of being the good girl." Selena echoed this same sentiment to ET earlier this month.
The idea of my new record is that it is my moment. I feel like I'm able to be heard. And when I did the album cover, I wanted it to just be bare. I didn't want a bunch of diamonds or full-on makeup.
Or distraction.
The idea was just for me to be pure and raw.
23-year-old explains that her unhappiness forced her to make these changes. Quote, "I had to have moments where I was crying and I was like, why am I not in love with what I do? I was forced to get very uncomfortable for a while in order to make the decisions I made. I definitely remind myself that I'm in control."